Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create the Disney parent video trend on TikTok. So everyone on TikTok is using this filter called the Disney parents, where they take two characters from Disney and will basically show you who your parents were if you were a Disney character. So let me show you how to create this video trend. So before we begin, you want to first go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're searching for Disney Parents Filter. Now here you'll see all the effects and all the videos that are doing the trend. So go ahead and tap on any of them you like. On these videos, just above the username, you're looking for Affect Your Disney Parents. So go ahead and tap on that. This will show you all the videos that are doing the trend. Now to use this effect, go ahead and tap on Use this effect. This will take you into the camera mode. And now you want to go ahead and show your face to the camera. Tap on Record. And this will analyze your face and will show you who the characters are that would be your parent from Disney. So there you go guys, that is how to create the Disney parent video trend on TikTok. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.